Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the median of the following data. Now we know to find the median of grouped data, we will require cumulative frequencies of all these intervals. So let's make another row here, cumulative frequency. Now cumulative frequency for first group is same as its frequency, so 15. For second group it's 15 plus 8, so that is 23. For third it's 23 plus 12, which is 35, plus 10, 45, plus 27, 72. So this is the cumulative frequency and 72 is total number of samples. Now we know median can be calculated as median equal to L plus n by 2 minus PCF by F into H, where L is lower limit of median class, n is total number of samples, PCF is cumulative frequency of previous class, F is frequency of the class, that is median class, and H is class size. So in this case we simply have to put the values in the formula. Now since n is 72, n by 2, that is median should be 36th sample. And if we observe the given classes, 36th sample lies in this class, which is 130 to 140. Therefore 130 to 140 is median class. Now that we know median class, we can simply substitute all the information here. So median equal to lower limit of median class is 130 plus n by 2, that is 72 by 2, that is 36, minus PCF, which is cumulative frequency of previous class, it's 35, divided by class frequency, which is 10, into class size, which is 140 minus 130, that's 10. So 10 cancel out and we are left with 36 minus 35, which is 1. So 130 plus 1 equal to 131. So required median of this group data is 131. Answer is option D.